Flashback.
So this is the cheese variant of Samyang noodles. Damn, I'm already sweating. Gosh. Wasted 7 minutes recording for nothing.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
End of flashback.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Yes. In this video, I'm going to try another Samyang variant. So this is the light variant of the Samyang spicy noodle. See, it's light. If you can see here, it is non-fried, 40% less spicy. Okay, let's see that later. And it has less calories for about 28%. And it is, according to here, yes, this is the calorie count. Yep, too small. Unlike the others, which has 500 plus calories. Yes, I have noticed that it has thin. It is thin, unlike the other variants. Okay, it's obviously light. Nice. Okay, it's light. Like this. So excited to eat it. Well, anyways, I'll be back after cooking.
A few moments later.
And I'm back. I already tied my hair up in case that it is spicy. And look at this. Is it worth it? It is smaller than the regular ones. If it is the regular ones, it should be here or here. Not sure. But let's have to eat this. As you have noticed here, it's dark here because it's cloudy. And you can hear the rain outside. I mean the drizzle. Okay, the drizzle, not rain, because the rain is so strong. The drizzle is so small. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Nalagyan na. Oh. I don't have milk, okay? I only have water, damn. I didn't expect the amount of spice, damn it. So small but terrible. Oh, damn. Not again. Damn, apologies for my ugly face because it's so freaking spicy. Damn, I think my acid reflux is going to act up later because of this spicy. Oh. Okay. It's still hot, you know. Whew. I can't believe this is a light variant. I thought it has less spicy. This isn't less spicy. It's lying. Oh my god, I'm going to die. Damn, light your face, Samyang, light your face. This isn't light. This is I can't speak anymore. It's deceiving. Whew. This is more spicy than the carbonara flavor or the cheese flavor. Gosh. Damn. Okay. Nice air. The air here. I don't have an electric fan here, so yeah, natural air. So it's almost halfway there. I'm going to transfer the angle so you can see my tears and my suffering. So I transferred it to another angle because it is light. Okay, I thought it is too dark. So let's proceed to eating again. And my suffering, please, and my suffering. I already have automatic lipstick. Damn. I don't need a lipstick because of their hot. Damn, hot lips. Seriously. I had a bad panic attack last night because of the earthquake. With a magnitude of 6.4 offshore. I need air, seriously. I'm going to faint. I hope this is going to be a long video. So I would like to thank my friends for choosing the light flavored. Okay, this is a challenging one, you know. But the next video the next week, I'll be tasting the last samyang I bought. Just the red pasta flavor. I mean the tomato pasta flavor. I think I forgot. I'm almost done right now. Please end my suffering. It's so freaking hot. I would like to remind you that this isn't an ASMR video, so I have to talk, okay? Don't complain that I talk too much while eating. Okay, get done. Ta-da! Messy but all gone. Woo! Damn, it was a challenging experience. I have survived the light variant samyang flavor. I can talk properly right now. So that is all. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, you have to subscribe just click the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified, just click the bell button. Until next time.